The Pure3 system comes equipped with an auto start system that will start the chassis and recharge the battery in case the Pure3 battery gets low or the chassis starting battery gets low. To activate the system, first set the handbrake. Using the key fob, press the middle lock button 3 times. And the system is active. The system will start if either the chassis battery is getting low or the Pure3 battery pack is getting low. After that hour, it will shut down until one of the required conditions are met for the chassis to restart. It will continue to do so until the fuel gauge gets down to 25%. To deactivate the system, simply press the top unlock button on your key fob 3 times. And the system will shut off. While running it is in a high idle mode at 1600 RPMs, it's normal for the RPM to occasionally drop down to a low idle and then come back up to 1600 momentarily.